Now let's talk about how to rightly take your anti-malarial medications, right? Especially the artemether and lumefantrin combination. Now, most people would tell you to take it morning and night. That's one morning and one night. But in actual fact, that is not how it's supposed to be taken. This is what you should do. On day one, when you start the dose, yeah, you take one. 8 hours after the first dose, you take the second dose. Okay. Now, 16 hours after the second dose, you take the third dose. So you don't take morning and night. Okay. So you take them according to how it is prescribed on the chart. And the chart can be found on the pack of the drug. Most of the packs, you will find the chart. Now, 16 hours after the second dose, you take the third dose, right? Then 12 hours after the third dose, you take the fourth dose. 12 hours after the fourth dose, you take the fifth dose. And 12 hours after the fifth dose, you take the sixth dose, which is the complete dose for that treatment. Now, assuming you took the first drug by 8 a.m. The next time you should take the second dose should be 8 hours after 8 a.m., which is 4 p.m. So if you count 8 hours, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So by 4 p.m., you should be taking the second dose. Now, after taking the second dose, you are going to wait for 16 hours. Now, that 16 hours should be from here. If you count 16 hours, it should give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So by 8 a.m., you are taking the second dose. That's on the day 2, the next day, right? You're taking the third dose rather. Now, after the third dose, you now start counting 12 hourly. So you count every 12 hour, you take a dose. Another 12 hours, you take the next dose. Another 12 hours, you take the next dose until it finishes. Now, the main point is here. Now, there's a reason why they give you this specific hour, because that's how the plasmodium parasite operates, and this is just the best way to target it. So you take first one, after 8 hours you take the second dose, after 16 hours you take the third dose, and 12 hours follows for all the remaining dose. So this is the right way to take your anti-malaria medication, especially the artemether and lumefantrin combination.